Hey, before we start off, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Now let's continue with this video. What's up? In this tutorial I want to explain how you can lock all the drawings on the chart, and that's a helpful feature because sometimes if you have a couple of drawings added to the chart, for example I have a trend line over here, a price channel, I have a support zone added to the chart, and let's say if I zoom in a little bit more, let's say I want to go to a different part of the chart, and normally you can do that just by clicking one time with your left mouse button on the chart, and then you can drag it so you can go to other places. But if you have a lot of lines added or things added to the chart, then the risk you have when you scroll over the chart is that you by accident select for example this box, and if I now click on it and drag it to the left, normally I would go to another place on the chart, but now I accidentally remove this box. So now the position is not correct anymore, and that can be a problem because if you scroll a lot and you do a lot of this, then you don't want to change the position of the things that you have added to the chart. You want to make sure everything is in place. Also, when you go to the smaller time frame, for example, and you select something, then you don't want things to go out of order. There's a very helpful feature in Tradingview for that. What you can do to prevent that is you can click on this lock icon over here. If you hover over it, you can see lock all drawing tools, and if you select that, now things won't go out of place, or you can't change the position if you select an item and you scroll. So now instead, if I select this channel by clicking on it with the left mouse button, I won't be able to change the position when I move the mouse cursor. So now I can very easily select different parts of the chart without risking that things that I have added to the chart will be placed on different positions. And if I unlock this icon again, so now it's not selected anymore. If I now click on this price channel, for example, and I select it and I move the mouse, that the position will change. So let me set it back. That's how you can prevent that. So always make sure that if you are done with your drawing tools and everything is set up as you want it to be, always make sure you hit this icon, you lock all the drawing tools, and then you won't risk that anything will be placed out of position. So use that feature. I hope you found this video helpful. If that's the case, I want to friendly ask you to like, subscribe, and click on the bell! Thanks for watching, have a nice day, and I hope to see you back again in another video.